Hello guys, so welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this particular kitchen over here. So let's continue it. So now what I'll be doing over here is like I'll be modeling some assets over here, that's the bottles and all this stuff. So let's start creating it. So now what I'll be doing is like let's go over here. Let's take a line tool. I'll just take a line tool over here and I'll start creating this small assets. Let's click over here. Let's give a lathe modifier. So again I'll go into this line, select the vertices. Let's slightly give a bit of fillet. Assign a bit of fillet over here. Now again just drag it over here, just push this up in this way. So what you can do is, if needed, I can just select the vertices and slightly I can just drag this down in this way. So just push it over here. So we have 2-3 bottles. Let's just make a copy of it. So press shift and drag, just make a copy of it. Let's again go over here. Let's take one more copy. So again select the fillet. So slightly just give a bit of fillet over here. Let's give a lathe modifier. So again select the vertices, slightly just drag this down in this way. I'll on this. So we'll just keep it over here. Again I'll again select this vertices. I'll just push it inside. Just click over here. So let's just place this bottle in this way. Keep it a bit straight. So if needed, we can just resize it if required. I can slightly just push it inside. Again make one more copy of this. So again go over here. Let's again take a line. Just make this half copy. Again give a lathe modifier. So again I'll assign a lathe modifier over here. Make it as max over here. So I'll slightly just shuffle this a bit up, slightly reduce the size of it. We can bring this in this way. So now we have only the boxes over here. We'll just create the boxes because we'll be getting the textures, we'll be making the textures over here for it. So I'll just activate this auto grid over here. I'll just make the boxes over here. So I'm just keeping the boxes for now because we'll just assign some basic textures over here. So that's totally okay, whatever you are creating. So I'll just resize this, I'll make it bigger. So we can just create this stuff in this way. Again, make a duplicate of it. Slightly. We can again copy this, slightly just shuffle it inside. So again, take a cylinder, just drag this up, convert to poly, select the polygons, slightly inset it, again just extrude it up, plus add over here. So just drag this, select the polygons, extrude by local normal, so again duplicate it, drag this over here. Again I can make some more copies. Alright, so let's just save the file once again. So let's move over here a bit down. So we do have a bowl over here as well. So how we can create a bowl? Very simple. Let's take a sphere over here. So let's just drag it up, convert to poly. So let's select this polygons over here, and I'll again select this, let's cap it. Let's give a shell modifier. So I can slightly add a bit of shell modifier and convert to poly. So let's again take a sphere, make a sphere, push it up, and let's go into this and give FFD cylinder. So I'll just assign a FFD cylinder. I'll just push this up, I'll just resize it in this way. So once it is done, I can just convert to poly. So just you can drag it over here. So you can make multiple copies if needed. So just select this, make a copy of it. So just select this whole thing. So I'll just go into this animation mass effects rigid body, dynamic rigid body. Select this, animation mass effects static rigid body. So let's go into this, select this, and into this shape type, make it as original. Go into animation mass effects simulation and say play simulation. So I'll just do it in this way. Let's convert to poly. So let's again select this. So animation, simulation, mass effects, simulation, play simulation again. Okay. Select this. So this is a bit tricky part sometimes. Mass effects, rigid body, static rigid body, original. Mass effects, simulation, play simulation. Okay. Mass effects, step simulation. So I can just stop that. So whatever we have created, we can just keep that. Oops, I don't know what's happening. You don't need to move it, because once you try to move it, it's going to be a problem over here. So it's better we don't move it. Mass effects simulation, step simulation. All right. All right. So we can do such stuff if needed. Oops. So you won't waste much time on this. I need to make it as original over here. All right. Now, once this is done, over here, let's again go over here. If you want, you can make the copy later. how we can make this dish over here. For that, let's again take a line tool. So I'll just take a line tool over here like this. So let's again go over here. Let's take a lathe modifier, slightly just push it in this way. So give a shell modifier again. So whenever you have assigned a lathe modifier, I'll go into the line on this. Alright, this is okay now. Now you can activate the shell over here as well. So I can just go over here and make a, I'll just place it in this way over here as well. This is going to be a trouble some over here, so it's better we just place it randomly, because I'll just place it randomly. I'll show you in some other dynamics lecture. I'll take a session on dynamics. At that time I'll show you how we can place it correctly with different you know, we can have a gravity and force and everything. So I'll show you something in the other session over here. For now I'll just going to place it randomly, because cannot waste much time on this. All right. Alright, so guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.